Welcome back to another crypto video. I just choked. I'm leaving it in. I'm leaving it in the video, guys. What's good, guys? It's jacobcrypobury here. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin and AAVE, and as well as the DXY, we're going to see what's going on in the crypto market today. So AAVE and Bitcoin looking pretty good. We've exploded to 42.5k on Bitcoin's price. We can see we're 1.3% up on the day, 3.7% up on the week. So was that volatile dip just something to do with the tax season, as well as there being way too many over leveraged longs in the market? And by sure, we saw a lot of liquidations following that. So what's going on? Crypto fear and greed index, we're sitting at 27, so we've still got a very fearful market with a very good looking price, to be honest. Altcoin season index, we're finally popping off a little bit, guys. I've been telling you about this, since around the 28th of March, a whole month that we've been in this altcoin accumulation phase, and I'm starting to think that a lot of these coins are going to start waking up soon. We're going to see the next impulse wave for these altcoins in the next few particular weeks coming up. So let's explore a bit of news today with AAVE. We can see, of course, we've got V3 at the moment. V3 has been deployed on multiple mainnets such as Harmony, Avalanche, Phantom. We've still got V3 to actually deploy on the Ethereum mainnet. So when that happens, that's when I anticipate a good 5 to 10x could happen for this particular coin. AAVE Grant is excited to be sponsoring Hack Money 2022, a full month of hacking for the future of finance. So that's another pretty cool thing. We've also got AAVE Grants meetup, so you can see lots of transparency. You can have conversations with these people, see what's going on with some of these big influencers and what the next coming updates are for the AAVE project. What else do we have? We have another particular influencer here. Is that Sheeran? No, it's Stanley Kulchov, CEO and founder of AAVE Companies. Wow, okay, that's the CEO right there. Well, interesting. So we've also got this guy there as well. So big things coming for AAVE, of course. We've also got this little retweet over here. V3 liquidity mining on Avalanche is now live as of April 20. That's really, really good as well. So more liquidity and staking for our lovely AAVE, and it's going to be across more DeFi ecosystems. So let's jump into a little bit of I suppose fundamental analysis, as well as this on-chain data that we've got here dating all the way back from 1969. So this is the DXY, the basket of goods, basically loads of currencies compared to the value of the dollar. And we see actually that the dollar's doing well, and we don't want that right now. It even looks like we're going to get a double bottom reversal button play out right here, but I don't think that will be the case. We're sitting at 100 at the moment. Hopefully we're going to see a rejection. Ideally what I want to see happen here for the DXY, because it's not our friend, we want to see it come down to this particular level over the next few months and weeks, of course. So this could take a long time. I mean, for it just to do what I've displayed, that will take until 2023 if it did move at that slow pace. I personally don't think we're going to see it do this over the next year. I can't imagine why it would do it. I don't see fiat getting stronger ever. US dollar especially, it's doomed. You've only got to look at Bitcoin to USD, and you're going to see over the 10 years that Bitcoin's value against the dollar constantly is moving up. And you can also check that with the euro as well. What else is going on? Well, on our total market cap chart, we're still floating around this green space, which indicates undervaluation, reaccumulation opportunity in a bull market. As we can see, each time we buy in these green phases with extreme fear, usually it ends up resulting in a strong yield and good profits in the long run. Like if you loaded up in July 2021, you will ride up this wave, take your profits in the red zone, and likewise you will sell in the red zone and then buy back down in the green zone. So are we speculating a $2 trillion market cap excluding Bitcoin rather soon? Well, I think it's quite pragmatic to say that we could see that. Right now we have finally popped out of our little symmetrical triangle, so we might be retesting the $1.27 trillion resistance on the market capitalization excluding Bitcoin. We are retesting the 20-day moving average here, and we should hopefully pump back through that bull market support band very soon. So let's look at what we all came for today, which is the AAVE price, or AAVE price. I don't want to get ripped into pieces for pronouncing it wrong again. So we're ranked 54, $195, $2.7 billion market cap with a $235 million trading volume, looking at around 8% volume to market cap ratio, which is pretty good actually. We want to see that volume. We want the eyes to be on AAVE. Lots of massive things are coming out for this borrowing and lending protocol. So we can see again, we put through nearly a higher high Well, I suppose we did actually, because these are the swing highs. No, we put through a high. We're in an uptrend, guys. We're in an uptrend. Let me just clarify that. The downtrend is over. We are now in a new uptrend, and I'm going to show you why it's a new uptrend. So far, Q1, Q2 have been red months. Last year it was pretty damn good. I mean, look at Q1, 300% pump right there. And I am anticipating we're still going to get a very strong pump in the upcoming months. So apologies for all the lines on the chart. Lots of lines, but you know, we like lines because they tell good stories. So I was just telling you that we broke out from the downtrend, and that was all the lows here, and this particular swing high to low, which I will just draw for you. This swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, as you see right there. Let's change the color for your lovely eyeballs. Right there, that is the start of our uptrend. We can see we've put through a higher high, and finally, maybe, just maybe, we're going to see continuation of this particular pattern. So what's happened is we've got this ascending channel. So we've got the swing high, we've got the swing low. And we've actually come back through two key areas of resistance, one being $173 and the other being $192. So if we can hold this particular level where we had actually a really big selling wick before, just yesterday on the 20th of April, hopefully we can start retesting the next resistance, such as 205 and also 213. Remember, I said to you, this is potentially a new uptrend. And if it is a new potential uptrend, of course, you're going to get these swing highs and lows. And it doesn't actually matter if we lose the support again, as long as it maintains a higher low every single time. We could come up to $285, and if we do come back down to $212, it doesn't matter, as long as we're maintaining our uptrend, which I think is extremely important. So it's nice to see that we did lose a bit of support, but we retested this as a resistance, and we've come back through with a lot of momentum. We're back through the bull market support band. We're back above the 20-day moving average. I think we need to retest the 200-day moving average, which is the white line right here. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks like we almost got a double bottom reversal pattern there, but really it just looks like a lot of healthy consolidation. You can see all the support that we've got written across this particular level along here, and also on the horizontal. We've got so much support here for AAVE right now. It gives a lot of confidence to me that I think even if we come down, it might just be as low as $185 before taking another move to the upside. If we hop into our 1-hour chart as well, we can get a bit more information. I mean, look at this consolidation. That is what you call textbook consolidation right there. Look at that beautiful channel. That's a consolidation pattern right there. Then we got a breakout to the upside. We broke through the resistance. Now we're seeing a bit of continuation. So hopefully we can go to our next resistances using our fib extension tool. It's probably going to be around the $200 level on the next particular swing high. We want to come back up to this $200 swing high here. We've got the swing low, and if we can put through a higher swing high at the next fib level at around $202, $204, and $207, we'll be looking extremely good for the next few weeks for AAVE. I think extremely bullish on this project still, and if we can follow this trajectory, we should at least be setting some big numbers very, very soon. If we look at our fib extension on the previous swing high, we really want to try and target basically the next fib levels, which are $346 and $372. And that's when you can start feeling really bullish for AAVE. But like I say, I think this is still one big lull in the market. I think we've put through our bottom now for AAVE. I don't see us coming down to $50 or $100, and I do still see this as a key area for reaccumulation. We're looking at the weekly RSI, and we're so low compared to where we were. We're not as low as we'd like to be. Usually that 30 to 40 range on the weekly time frame for the RSI is pretty good. I can give you a little cue point right now, actually, on one coin I'm looking at on the weekly time frame, which I think is going to get a big bounce soon, and it's actually AMP right here. Because look, we're at 35 RSI and we're ready to perhaps take a pump back up to around 50 RSI, coming back through the 0.029 resistance. You're welcome. And yeah, enjoy that little tip right there, because you could make some good money if you actually get into a trade right there, or a long position, or even just hold at that particular level. Anyway, so we're pumping up to around $195 on this particular time frame. Does look good, and I think a long way to go for AAVE. It's been very rocky, very messy. We like to trade AAVE in big impulses, followed by usually big corrections. It doesn't move slowly, it's very aggressive, it's volatile, and that's just normal with this particular coin. And wow, it's a 10-minute video. That was completely an accident. So before I make a quick send off and say goodbye to y'all, make sure you do consider becoming a patron. It's the price of a coffee. I can just quickly show you right here. You're going to get some nice exclusive benefits, as you can see: Discord, premium level, a free ebook, leverage trading, spot trading signals, and you'll also get one-on-one messaging and lessons if you ever need it, as well as extra entries on the giveaways, which will start in May on this particular channel. So I hope that really helps you. I am very happy for all the support you've given me and everything else. Make sure you do jump into the Discord channel as well down below, and if you want to buy crypto today, I've got a link for you at the very top of the description. So thanks for checking out the video. See you soon. Bye now, guys.